The key to a good buttercream isn't just the ingredients, but how you put them inside. How well you whip it, and then in what order you put it in there, because all of that makes a tremendous difference, because you can over whip it or under whip it, and each one will give you a different texture and consistency. The first thing that we need is egg whites. Now we're going to set it on medium speed, and we're going to look for it to start to turn into a meringue. That's the key, but it's going to need several minutes to get to the consistency and place where we really want to start adding our powdered sugar. Not quite firm, but it's starting to get some volume. We're going to slowly add our powdered sugar to the meringue. That way we don't lose the volume that we've worked so hard to develop. It looks like it's getting close to being done for the first stage. It has some body to it, but it's not quite stiff. We don't want it to be stiff because we're going to whip it a little bit more after we add our butter. And now, come take a look, right here. Butter should be so soft that you can press into it. We've switched to the paddle attachment, and we're going to slowly start adding our butter one stick at a time until it completely incorporates. And like that, it's done. If it was only that simple. The butter hasn't completely had a chance to whip. So what we're gonna do is, instead of going at slow speed, we're going to go to medium speed. We don't wanna go too fast to whip in air, but what we do want is for this to get a silky, creamy texture, and it'll increase in volume, plus it'll lighten up. Just watch. I've got not one, but 2 pro tips for you. Whenever adding your flavoring, add it at the very end. That way you can make sure that it doesn't react with the icings. Some emulsions will cause issues. The second, just before you finish your buttercream, you want to make sure that you set the mixer on the lowest possible speed and mix for another 1 to 2 minutes. This will eliminate any extra large air bubbles, so you have a smoother finish when you use it. 4 tablespoons of vanilla. And set it to the lowest speed. And now the flavor is incorporated, and it's so silky smooth. That's exactly what you want in a good buttercream. You're welcome.